Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that product name is XbotGo AI Cameraman. This is a smart AI tracking gimbal. I'm purchasing this gimbal from Amazon, just only €209. Link is available on video description. You simply click the link and you can very easily purchase no matter where you live, UK, Europe, India or US. The price is same and the product is available entire the world. What is the new of this product? If you playing basketball, football or any other game, you can very easily record as automatic recording, 3x phone gimbal, portable and affordable vlogger, stabilization, Android and iPhone devices. That one is very interesting. So now we can see unboxing. After unboxing, I will show you how I use and what is the new of this gimbal. So now let's start unboxing of the box. XbotGo AI Cameraman Smart AI Tracking Sport Tracking Gimbal. And look at this here, backside Apple Store and Android Store application also available. You can very easily scan this QR code from here and download both application. You need to download the application. Now I just simply open the box. One of the important point I am telling here, the box quality is very rich and VIP. So inside the box I am receiving one pocket, so you can use this pocket for the carry your gimbal. This is a magic booklet, how to use and how to download and all features they are explaining very nicely here. Inside the kit I am purchasing this gimbal with remote control. So via remote control you can change your cameras also, front camera, back camera. You can start camera, capture the pictures and move the 360. All features they are introducing here. Lock unlock features also available. Currently is a lock, but if you open this one, remote is unlock. And inside the box they are providing C-type charging cable. We are receiving, this is a tripod, small, so you can use this one and stand your gimbal. This is our original product, and the quality and feelness is very nice and amazing of this gimbal. Especially I'm very happy about after purchasing this gimbal. So look at this, the gimbal in my hand, amazing. Feel look like this, it's really nice. Here the battery they are showing, you can connect here C charging port and the batteries charging start. It's easy. Apart from that, they are introducing here, okay, here on off. Now the gimbal is on, so it's easy. And if I press here again, long press, so there is shut down. Again I press, the gimbal is a start. First of all, I just fix the camera, my phone. So currently I'm using Android phone for demo point of view this video. And look at this, if I use this scroll, so accordingly the mobile is a change, up, right, left, and it's really nice. Just I press here M, so the tracking mode is automatically active. I just simply on this one. So look at this, the camera, and now I'm changed to 360. The camera is constant like this. So that is the beauty of this one, and it's very easy, not require any kind of learning, not install the application. And after installing the application, the configuration related features and problem is not coming here. Just simply press here button and just use this one. Here width and length is available. You just simply use your small tripod, the camera is following you. And if you install the application, so here the button is available, so you can connect in your mobile and very easily capture the picture. That one is a really interesting and amazing tripod, like XbotGo AI Cameraman. I'm using 1 week. After that I'm making one review video and explain all features. If you really like this product, link is available on video description. You click and purchase from that link. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.